Basta, kumbaga talagang kayo na yung binibuild up na isa sa mga love team ng Viva, di ba? So how was it? Kumbaga, kamusta? May another project kayo with Viva?
Now we're really grateful po kasi after our series, we're so blessed to have another series. Which is ito, and different genre naman siya. So talagang mas showcase yung ano namin, yung talent namin in acting and kung gaano kami ka-versatile as an actor. And yeah, as a love team, well, I'm grateful because hindi naman magiging malaking adjustment for me because it's Lance,
Lance.
As a love team, we like challenges, so this is really new to us. The project is new to us, and just making sure na gagawin namin yung best namin syempre para hindi namin nabigay yung mga fans namin because they've been like demanding for a new project for us. Nakikita namin yung mga posts, tweets nila, so it's about time na sulitin namin yung project na binigay sa amin para hindi mabigay yung fans namin.
Ang daming natuwa sa scenario mo kaninang hindi mo hayaang mamatay si napoprotektahan mo siya. In real life, magagawin mo talaga yon. So may ibig sabihin yun di ba? Ibig sabihin na talagang she's very important to you. Pero kamusta na? Kumbaga kung kakamustahin yung relationship nyo before and now, nasa ang level na?
Very comfy with each other, like we really enjoy each other's company. We have a lot of things in common, pero what makes us unique is yung differences namin, paano namin siya nasi-set aside. Yun po pasok yung honesty namin sa isa't isa, dun po pasok yung respect din namin sa isa't isa sa love team.
Aubrey.
Katulad na sinabi niya, different talaga kung paano kami before. I appreciate him more now because he's very honest, he's very appreciative, he's very caring sa akin. Not just because I'm his lovely, but I'm his friend. Like closest friend.
Ito, one question na how do you describe yung kumbaga yung status nyo ngayon? Nasang level of status? Siguro ang lalaki makakasagot, di ba?
Level of status namin ngayon.
Kung isang social media yan, ano nang status niya?
I mean, social media.
Facebook, di ba? In a relationship, dating.
In a very good working relationship.
Yeah. So, actually, we're really good friends, like best friends. And we enjoy each other's company.
Pero kung magiging kayo ba in real life, I mean, boy and girl relationship, boyfriend, itatago nyo? Or talagang you will tell it to your fans that you're on?
I think there's a perfect timing for that. And we have to talk about it if ever we're gonna reach that point na maging kami, if we want the public to know or not. Pero whatever works for us, yun lang yun. And perfect timing lang talaga.
Do you consider yourself as a boyfriend material ba si Lance sa'yo and a girlfriend material ba si Aubrey? Why?
As I said kanina, as a friend, he's very honest. I can see that. He's very caring. To everyone, respectful. So, hindi isa sa mga nasa list ko as boyfriend material. Yeah.
Kung manliligaw siya, may pag-asa.
We'll see. I don't know.
Oo, hindi lang.
Oo, hindi lang Ang daming question. Ikaw nga, oo, hindi.
Malaking chance.
Wow.
Sa kanya yung mga
Character na hinahanap.
hinahanap ng isang katulad ko gano'n.
Wow, ano masasabi mo doon, Lance?
Wala, kinilig ako.
Is she a girlfriend material?
Sorry?
Is she a girlfriend material?
Of course, because like one of the things I really appreciate about her because she knows how to cooperate, she knows how to listen. And pag may mga away kami, parang isa-settle namin kagad.
After this Hell University na medyo mas mature na on your role, mas are you ready for more mature roles for in the future? Kung sakaling bigyan kayo ng project together na medyo mas daring, medyo mas intimate, parang ganyan. Are you ready for that?
I think I'm ready for that. I mean, I'm not getting any younger. And I want to really explore kung ano pa yung kaya ko. Gusto ko talaga ma-challenge mo talaga. And I think yung sa Avenues of the Diamond, that's,
Yun na, mature na rin kasi
Mature
yung
na rin
AD
po.
Like compared to Hell, this is like less intimate because it's more of survival. It's more of tutulungan kami paano kami mag-survive.
Last on me, kumbaga dito ang mas in-introduce na love team sila yung dalawa, di ba? Pero kayo, ano yung pinaka magiging role nyo? Parang kayo ba yung parang mas, parang, I don't know, di ba?
Yung role ko po dito, ako yung sister ni Zayn, yun, si Park. And, wag alam naman nila, if you read the series, nalaman nyo naman na mamamatay din si Samantha. And love interest niya si Daisy. So, yung dalawa, ganun na lang pinaglalaban. Like, we want to survive. Grabe yung struggle namin. But in the end, yeah, namatay ako and he survived.
Okay. So please invite them to watch.
Hi everybody, I'm Aubrey Caraan.
I'm Lance Justin Carr.
And we're inviting you na abangan ko sa Hell University this
January 10, only on
Diva 1.
Thank you.